Hello guys, I am Sheikh Anisur Rahman. Welcome to my channel Compu Geeks. Today I am going to show you how to make your pen drive bootable without any third-party software. First I talk about this topic, how you can easily installing this any operating system through this method. It's very simple and very easy. Everyone can do that. So let's see how it's work. First, inserting your pen drive in your PC. Already I have inserting my pen drive. You can see here. Then go to the folder, your operating system file location. I choose. First you should download and installing this software WinRAR. I choose because it's very simple. Windows 7 operating system file is here. Right click on it, then extract files. Click on it and choose your pen drive location. Here and click OK. It may takes some time, so I don't need to extract this file. Then I cancel this process. That's it. Just this is the method, very easy to make your pen drive to bootable. So guys, this is the video. If you like this video, please comments below and don't be forget subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification.